Hi everyone, this is Anwar with oLLM. So recently I had a task where I had to analyze chats of a customer using large language model like gpt-oss-20b. I couldn't send them to ChatGPT because these are the private messages, so I had to run them locally. I tried to use oLLama for this task, but I ran out of memory because I only have 8 gigs of VRAM and 16 gigs of RAM. So I decided to build my own library. Yeah, and eventually I was able to run it, and it gave me this beautiful output of 10 most popular questions in original Italian and with English translation. My original logs were about 10K of context. So how did I do this? Instead of loading the full model into the memory right away, I load the layers one by one directly from SSD to GPU only when I need them. I also offload the KV cache to SSD and load it back directly to GPU. I offload to SSD because sometimes KV cache may get really large, like 40 gigs and even more. But for small KV cache, I offload to CPU or keep on GPU depending how small it is. I also use the flash attention-like implementation with online softmax. The standard initial implementation of the transformer library of gpt-oss-20b didn't have the flash attention implementation, so I had to integrate one. I also do the chunked MLP. It's very important because sometimes intermediate upper projection layers may get very huge, and it's important to chunk the MLP as well in order to reduce the memory usage. So this inference took me about 50 minutes on 10K context to 500 kilograms output. Yeah, this is slow but still acceptable for tasks like this, where the interactive experience is not really required. I launched this library about 2 weeks ago and already got 81 stars and about 500 downloads from GitHub and people storage. Thank you for your attention. Bye.